All right, I'm here in the Magnolia, and there's three really cool things about this floor plan that you might not be aware of even after you walk through the home. So I wanted to point them out to you, and then at the end you want to stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can save $100,000 in payments on this home. You heard me right. Stay tuned till the end. Feature number one is the completely private master suite on this home. We designed this home so that you've got your main living space right here. You got a lot of area in there that you can hang out. The kids' bedrooms are right here off to my right-hand side. But then there's this long hallway where everything is that's down here is all part of the master suite. So the kids are way over there, the noise is way over there, and the only thing that's over here is the master suite, and it's complete separation for ultimate privacy. The second feature that's really great about this Magnolia is we feature the master suite with the snooze button built in. You might be saying, what's a snooze button that's built in? The way we designed this plan is so that in the master bedroom, if the two of you wake up at different times in the morning, the great thing is one of you can sleep in while the other one just goes right through this door into the bathroom and then into the master closet, and there's a door that accesses the utility room and going out to the garage. So if you wanted to get ready in the morning and close that bathroom door, you'd never have to walk back through the master bedroom again, and the other person can stay sleeping. You're welcome. Hopefully that helps you stay together a lot longer. And the third feature in this home is what I call the little study for your little buddy. The idea here is that if one of your kids is living upstairs and you've got this study area, it's not a full-size like 12 by 12 room, but it's plenty of space for the kids to, do whatever they need to do for school, homework, all of those things. Plus there's a bathroom here. There's actually 2 bedrooms up here as well. I was gonna call it almost like a studio apartment, but then it would sound like a studio for your bootio instead of a study for your buddy. So let's stick with study for the buddy. All right, so the last thing I wanted to tell you about is this amazing incentive we're running right now. If you act before the end of this month, we are running the best incentive that we've ever had in the 35+ year history of Shaw Homes. Right now, this home has an incentive of $30,000 on it. And what we can do with that is we can either permanently buy down your interest rate, not like one of these things some builders are doing where you get the first year at a better rate. This is the whole 30 years if you do a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. We're gonna buy down your interest rate, or we can pay closing costs, or a combination of those two, or we can lower the price of the home, especially if you're a cash buyer. So the thing that happens with the interest rate buy down though is so exciting because we will buy down your interest rate so far that it'll be like you have the payment on a home that is $100,000 less than this. You heard me right. The payment you'll get with the new interest rate will be the payment of a home that is nearly $100,000 below this. So act today, give us a call. Let's get you in to see this home or one of our other beautiful move-in ready